Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable touch to capture function in camera. In the beginning, enter camera, go to settings, and now enter capture settings. Enable tap anywhere to capture, and as you can see right here, the camera is taking pictures after tapping on the screen. To disable it, again go to settings, capture settings, and switch this button off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.